CCTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Namar ka jingjok kaput ka BJP West Bengal bat Assam. Ka BJP Meghalaya kala lek kamen ya kan ka jingjok tak ba pelong tak ka jingyasam Mithai ha phalau jong ka office ka BJP. Hani ka jingyasam Mithai layu i baki arngot ki MLA ka BJP kataw ba Sanbor chulai mu ba ILHek kele Kdup i paramaki ban lek kamen ya kan ka jingjok. Ka BJP kala job kaput ha Assam ha ka ba kumba kalong Kdup menta kala tam shispa tali constituency naka shispa apun tali baro. West Bengal ka BJP kala kanjo sa ka arspa naka arspa kanday Southly constituency.
So now they have come to 300 seats. So yes, that is also the trend in Meghalaya. With 2 seats, we are going to let the BJP government in the state of Meghalaya.
The competition jungi kam jude hi ka touch lane kam kodyat madiat. They are never our competition. Competition jungi kedai mangi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mangisa sadani ki email pa jong apa di amba yan penkala no syaka guest house lan ka homestay kan. Por bangi penkala ngi ai kerten ka orange homestay. Pingi sedang sya ka 4 rooms tamba na ka 4 rooms ni sotho ba ma nomor ni dang kam shu ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand na ka floor jong ki tourist kila sedang bon dia ingin salah ban expansion showroom at current ngidan khasandu habawan kun kini kita kum mga ngonong mo mga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kun kini ki big companies bawan shini kalong big opportunities hingi ki yun pagin yo company ha jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma ha bangin ladak puli tingi jaka bangin tap shabar ngi layo ban tap ak state lajong ki tourist ki long la ka jong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang oleh sa he'll go for touch lane who want that luxury experience oleh touch budget travelers kilai hakim hotel tekidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha pem kini ki instay ki tang kata hang la ban ka bekam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lane ki instay lane kiwai ki bentaro recently ngadang should receive ka award ma kasin ka gold award jang ka sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka tekan ka ni ka wai ka pani ba ka government ni ka acknowledge lo dia boro ka trahi ban promote lo dia boro